in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS in Aorus Master Series of motherboards. And to do this, first we'll need to power off our PC. Then grab a keyboard and either keep pressing on F2 or the delete button. You can actually even do this with two of those buttons, so just keep pressing on both of them. So now we need to power on our PC and keep pressing on those buttons. After a few seconds we should see our BIOS settings. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.